is. Oh man, in the headlines, in the title. Ban Rak. Oh man, it's a wicked lake to my right. It's China. Wow. We are in China, people. Wow. This guy's got his hazards. What does that mean? Doesn't mean anything at all. Now indicate. It don't fucking out. If Thai people, may if only they could drive. They are the worst. You know, it's good to indicate right, but continue going. Now if I had steel boots on, I'd fucking kick it right in the softest door. Oh man, so many people here on these great big bikes. The geezer's got a Hayabusa. Oh fucking hell, he's dead. In the wet, he will scare himself senseless on the road that I've just ridden if it rains. When I go back, I'll look out for Mr. Hayabusa. Fucking hell. He will be knackered riding that bike after a short period of time. He will. Right, I'll keep going on this little road so you can see what this village is really like. Wow. People on the pedlos out on the lake, and I'm riding round to see if I can stop so you have the perfect view of what I'm looking at. Wow, wow. Would that be the perfect view? I'm still going. Lake view. Oh man, there's plenty of camping, glamping. Oh, that would be the... Aha, I found where I want to go. Down there, no one behind. Yep. This is where I want to go. Right here. Yeah, and that's the view I want to give you. Right there. Yabba dabba doo. Welcome to today's vlog. Oh, hang on, I've gone you all sideways. Okay, 2 bars of fuel. Yeah. That, guys, now that is a photograph, is it not? Look at that, awesome. Carry on, no, carry on, carry on, carry on. It's the view behind me I want you to see. I thought I would come straight up onto it, but hang on. We're going into this tiny little village, back street village. Whoa. Behind me, guys. Well, wait till I turn round. Look at these guys in there in that pen, look. It's just wicked. 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 Right, I'll just get a clip of that on the BFC. Right. That was that. Little clips I'm taking to make a film. The stuff tourists will never see. Look at this. Look at the views from here. Look. Wait until I go back. Views. I mean, that's stunning. That still there's a better one just up here where you look along a whole field, paddy fields. Hang on, here we come. This is the finale. How good is that view? Oh man, right across. You guys ain't really gonna see it, are you? How cool. Right.